This is 2.3 slope day 3. 1 through 9 is what we did yesterday. 10 through 18, that's the new material for today. So just a refresher, 10 through 9. First you need to find the slope, and then using that, that will help you find parallel and perpendicular 7, 8, 9. So just a refresher, number 1, remember that your slope formula, slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is your x1, your y1, x2, y2. So just set it up. So I have negative 5 minus 2 and 3 minus negative 8. So that's going to give me negative 7 on the top. On the bottom, the 2 minus becomes a positive, so it becomes 3 plus 8. That becomes 11. That's it. For 7, parallel to the x-axis. So if I was to draw a coordinate plane, so this is your x, this is your y. So I wanted something parallel to it. If I was to draw a parallel line to the x-axis, you see that that's a 0 slope. So you can just say m is equal to 0. Use that example, and that should help you find 8 and 9. Remember, parallel is same slope. Parallel is same slope. And perpendicular that is the opposite. Reciprocal. What that means is you take the fraction and you flip it, so the bottom number goes to the top number goes to the bottom, and you change the sign. So again, this is parallel, this is perpendicular. 10 through 18. So what I want you to do is I want you to rearrange this equation so that y is in the front. Remember, y equals mx plus b. This is the slope intercept form. This is super important. I want us to just take an equation like this, like number 10, and just rearrange it so that the y is by itself. That's all I'm asking you to do. So for number 10, what you would do is minus 3x to both sides. And you see that you would get y is equal to negative 3x plus 7. And that's all you're doing. They will get a little bit more challenging. Do one more. For example, number 16. First thing is minus 5x to both sides. And you see you get 6y is equal to negative 5x plus 7. So I'm just writing the 5x first because the former y equals mx plus b. The x comes before the number without the letter. And then last step I have to do, here I need y by itself, so I'm going to divide everything by 6. So I get 1y is equal to negative 5 over 6. Leave that as a fraction. Plus 7 over 6. Again, leave that as a fraction. And that's the answer I'm looking for. So you can do that for the rest of them. And answer key will be on Schoology also.